Everything you need in one single device. After inserting the battery, connect battery connection cable to the socket on the battery. Loosen the sleeve underneath the handset. Connect telescopic tube to the lower part of handset. Tighten and fix the sleeve. Pass the coil cable through telescopic tube. Pull the cable out from the other end of the tube. Insert seals into the slots at the end of extension tube. Connect extension tube to the connection point on the coil. Insert the screw through the hole on the coil and tighten at the opposite end with a nut. Connect the 9-pin terminal of the coil to the coil connector . And the 8-pin terminal of the handset to the handset connection on the system box and tighten it. Connect the handset connection cable with 8 pins to the connection point at the rear of the armrest. www.macrodetector.com